I'm keen to see the factory. I reckon that'll be cool. Seeing the cars roll off the assembly line. Polestars, Volvos and Zeekrs. Street vendors.
So guys, we are going to our Geely R&D center for lunch.
The cafeteria.
R&D center. So we are going to Geely R&D center for lunch.
Right, so the cafeteria for the...
Yes.
Yes.
No, not the cafeteria, it's a proper restaurant.
Ah.
Yeah, for you, but you know, prepared for you guys.
Very good. Same food that the employees eat. No, special. So where are we now?
We are at our R&D center.
But are we still in Ningbo or is this Guangzhou?
Ningbo.
This isn't Guangzhou.
It's in Ningbo.
In Ningbo we are. This is Ningbo.
Yes. In Ningbo city, but that's
Big.
A different area.
Different area. Broken car. Not a Zeekr. Well, that one's completely camouflaged.
It's really good.
Is that you?
We received our settlements in December, just before Christmas. So we took it away with the family for Christmas. Had a great time. Doing some more exciting things like drive days or track events.
Yeah, it's very interesting to say that because I was just asking
In Europe, if you drive at 180, you're not falling asleep. If you drive at 250, you're certainly not falling asleep.
like what you're saying, right? The drive days, etc.
The brakes on.
So when I was went to Europe, we actually hired the whole family to do it.
No. They want something to do with it. Like, they said, okay, I'll give you
That was amazing. And the food just kept coming.
Yeah, this came
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm very lucky.
Yeah.
It's cool that it's actually got the Zeekr on the outside. Well, look, it goes all the way there too.
And then I just realised that Andrew might not have realised that was Geely where we had lunch.
They've got a pilot doing the parking at Zeekr. That's pretty cool.
Look, we can't give you more money, we'll give you nice
We'll give you your wings. Whoa. You see the big? Hello. Thank you. Oh, earphone.
Yeah.
Earphone.
看到是相反的，主要一体式压铸。这一块一体式压铸或者是通过了一个7200伏的压机一次性去给它压铸而来的。一次性压铸的零部件的同时可以减少80元减压。
Factory construction started at 2018 and this is a double silver signal our first model came out in this factory.
那么现在可以看到整个上面的这个布局呢，是我们整个工厂的一个看法。
See the layout of the factory.
占地面积在1/3。
So on the west side is the digital all day. They have one power. We have one conservation. Shows all the
From the film engineer to 340 today.
yeah.
它的下摆部分会讲。
Alright, tour's over. I've just had lunch.
Don't want to get stuck in that one spot.
Phenomenal.
Yeah, nice.
Stay on good, beautiful.
There's a privacy screen in between.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, between these two. Yeah.
Between these two.
No, I thought between these two.
Stan, can you? Oh, you got a photo?
This is just a normal 009.
Wow.
My very first. And it came in. I said, oh, this is.
Whoa, look at the TV.
This is not 4-seater.
How much is that? 80 divided by 5.
我记得我在你们那边看过的。
No, they're similar.
我是你们。
Oh, look, there's a strong
This is the 4-seater. I can't even get it in one photo.
Because you're responsible. Yeah. Responsible parent.
Crash, we can see the doors can still open and the ABS first will properly and only you can see some damage on it.
好，经过第二个托底实验呢，像这一台车子，它是。
When do we get through that?
You have it already?
这个 smart small. Let's go.
What's the range?
100
Has it got the CCC? Can you take it on time?
Yeah. Smells really good.
Yeah, I know. So guys, hey, did you film it? Any one of these? Yeah, I want that and I want this. I want two things. Thank you for the free gift.
Yeah, myself. We celebrate his birthday everywhere.
Right, it's a tradition. What else was there that was interesting? I don't know, just seeing all the cars going around like automatically, and then like putting the wheels on, like robots putting the wheels on, and
Such a good idea.
yeah.
If you see the blue light, you're not afraid. So you know this car cannot do bad things.
Yeah, cannot be unpredictable.
Yeah, it's safe.
Yeah.
That is so good.
It looks cool though too, doesn't it, that blue?
It just looks so good.
And this blue light, all of the Chinese can auto drive cars, the Xiaomi.
Yes, overtake. The petrol junkie. Yes, hybrids, go to the back, please. This one's obviously the all-wheel drive, right?
Rear-wheel drive only.
Is it really?
Yeah, single motor.
But see, the Zeekr's come with like, what is it, like 400 kilowatts just for the rear-wheel drive. It's crazy. It's like twice as much as my Polestar. That's so much power to go through just two wheels.
Yeah, but I guess if it's controlled in that sort of second by second moment, save yourself some cooked tyres.
It's not. It won't. They're almost impossible to spin the tyres. There he goes. Oh. He doesn't realise what we're trying to do. I didn't see it. I didn't notice it. It might have been
in front of the truck.
Speeding ahead there. No. What was that?
That was a ticket from the other place.
Oh, you give it, it's like a give and return thing.
Toll return.
That's crazy. speed us. How did that happen?
Oh, we had a big stop. We dicked around.
We were dicking around doing. Yes, baby.
Thank you so much.
Okay.